The definition of a lean business completely changed in 2026. If you are still hiring full-time staff for data entry, basic customer support, or calendar management, you are overspending. Right now, autonomous AI agents can handle these multi-step workflows with zero human intervention. Today we look at the top 3 AI agents you can deploy for your business this week. First, Zapier Central. This agent connects over 7,000 apps. Instead of building complex automations, you just talk to it in plain English. Tell it to watch your CRM, analyze incoming leads, and notify your sales team. It builds the workflow itself. Second, Robylon AI. This is a 24/7 multi-channel support agent. It doesn't just answer questions. It connects natively to your Shopify or database, pulls order tracking info, updates shipping data, and resolves tickets without a human ever logging in. Third, Arahi AI. This is the ultimate no-code operations agent. It scans your company's internal messy documents, maps out standard operating procedures, and automatically coordinates tasks across your team. The future belongs to decentralized, autonomous companies run by single founders. Subscribe to Nexus AI Strategy to learn how to architect yours. Let's automate your future.